Here are some creative do-it-by-yourself wooden key holder design ideas. Are you tired to losing your key or misplacing them? A stylish and the functional wooden key holder can solve your problem while adding a touch of rustic charm to your home decor. In this video, we will explore some genius do-it-by-yourself wooden key holder design ideas that are not only practical but also fun woodworking project for enthusiasts of all skill levels. The first one is a rustic pallet keyboard holder. Transform discarded wooden pallets into your rustic key holder masterpiece. Simply deassemble the pallet, cut it into a desired size, and sand the wood until smooth. Arrange the pieces in visually appealing pattern, attach knock or a page, and finish with a coat of your favorite wood stain or paint for a rustic chic look. Combine organization with decor by crafting a floating wood shelf with a built-in key hooks. Choose a piece of lumber, cut it into a size, and install metal hook or right ring underneath. Hang the shelf on your entryway wall, creating a practical and stylish storage solution for your key. If you prefer a coastal or the beachy vibe, gather driftwood pieces and craft it using a rack, attach hook, or a small knob to the driftwood, allowing you to hang your key while adding a touch of natural elegance to your space. Add a personal touch to your key holder by engraving and painting your family name, favorite quotes, and the meaningful design onto a piece of wood. Add a hook or a page beneath the customization for functional and essential pieces. Create a modern geometric key holder design using wooden dowels and the rods. Cut the dowel into a various length and the pattern. Arrange them in a pattern like hexagon and the triangle, and attach hook or rings to the each dowel. This unique design double up your as wall art. Repurpose an old wooden cabinet or drawer into a charming key storage solution, adding hook to the inside of the cabinet door or the drawer front surface. The vintage appeal will give your entryway a nostalgic feel. For those who prefer simplicity, craft a sleek modern key stripe, cut a narrow piece of wood, sand it, and add a few hooks on it and the key rings. Mount it on the wall for a clean and the minimalist design. Turn a small wooden bowl or the dish into a stylish key drop zone. Place it on a table near your entryway for a quick and easy way to keep track of your keys. Consider adding a coat, paint, or stain for more details. These do-it-by-yourself key holder design ideas combine functional with aesthetic, allowing you to keep your key organized in style. Whether you got for a rustic pallet key holder, personalized masterpiece, or a sleek minimalist design, create your own wooden key holder can be a rewarding project that add both practically and the personality to your home decor. So grab your tools and start crafting your perfect key storage solution today. Make a list of the material you need to your chosen design. Include wooden hook, paint, sandpaper, and any specialized tool. This will help you to stay organized and avoid unnecessary trips of the stores. Safety should be a top priority. Wear appropriate gloves, gears such as safety goggles and gloves, and tool correctly. If you are new woodworking, consider seeking guidance from your senior. Sketch your keyboard design paper before you design. This will give you a clear vision of finished product and help you to avoid mistake along the way. Here is our today's video. Thanks for being here and thanks for watching. Please do subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos. Thank you so much.